Today we are learning about the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. Um, the content of the today's topic is introduction, general reaction, reaction mechanism, stereochemistry, and applications. Now, Ernst Otto Beckmann is a German scientist. He identified this reaction uh, during the study of the ketoxymes, behavior of the ketoxymes with the help of different types of reactions. Uh, and during that, he identified that ketoxymes in presence of acid catalyst that are converted into the unsubstituted amides. The acid catalyst used here in this rearrangement reaction is HCl, H2SO4, PCl5, P2O5, then phosphoric acid, aryl sulfonyl chloride may be used. Okay, this is the one of the nitrogen deficient, electron deficient nitrogen atom rearrangement reaction is here. Now, general reaction. In this reaction, ketoxymes are converted into the unsubstituted amides in presence of acid catalyst. In case of cyclohexanone, like cyclic ketone oximes are there. Okay, cyclic ketoxymes are there that are converted into the lactam ring. Now, we have to learn about the reaction mechanism. We have to understand that there are two types of reaction mechanism in this type of rearrangement. Okay, this Beckmann Beckmann rearrangement. The first is by protonation of the oximes. Now, first protonation of oximes will take place. This is the first step of this reaction. The ketoxymes contain the oxygen. Okay, hydroxyl group having oxygen. There are the lone pair of electrons are there. Okay, these are the lone pair of electrons are there. Now, this lone pair of electrons uh, accept the proton from the acid, and there will be the formation of positive ions. Oxygen and positive ions will take place. uh, Due to the formation of this positive ion, molecule is unstable. For that purpose, he has for the stability of the oxygen, the shared pair of electron in between the oxygen and nitrogen will be shifted to the oxygen. Okay, or transfer to the oxygen, and water molecule will be removed from here, and there will be the formation of a electron deficient nitrogen atom. During this, there will be the transformation of a alkyl group or aryl group from anti to the this hydroxyl group will transfer to the nitrogen atom, and there will be the formation of n nitrilium ion, n alkyl nitrilium ion. Okay, formation of nitrilium ion will take place, and this is the second step. Now, in third step, there will be the we are adding this adding the water molecule into this n alkyl nitrilium ion. So we will get such a molecule. During that, there will be the formation of a bond between carbon and oxygen by the accepting the lone pair of electron to the carbon. Okay, by the carbon, then there will be the formation of such a bond, and there will be the formation of O plus ions. Okay, and this will be the this will be the stabilized, this molecule will be stabilized by the deprotonation, and this is the fourth step. Okay, deprotonation is the fourth step. Now, after deprotonation, there will be the formation of there will be the formation of such a molecule will takes place. Now this molecule contain the enol form, okay, enol form, and enol form is uh, generally have a tautomerism, and there will the formation of n substituted amine will form, and this is the reaction mechanism of Beckmann rearrangement by protonation of oximes. Now next second type of reaction mechanism by esterification of the oximes, by esterification of oximes. Mm, Here the ketoximes, when reacted with aryl sulfonyl chloride, there will be the formation of such a okay, there will the formation there will be the formation of such a moiety, and this moiety is nothing but the ester form of the sulfonyl chloride, okay, ester form of a sulfonic acid. This ester form of a sulfonic acid accept the lone pair of electron, shared pair of electron in between this uh, nitrogen and carbon, and there will be the formation of negative ion will takes place, okay. Now this negative ion, as the accepted the negative ions, there will be the formation of transformation of this anti position R2 group will transfer to this electron deficient nitrogen atom, and there will be the formation of such a moiety will take place. These are the in between square bracket, they had shown that they are taking place at the same times, but they are in coordinating in the liquid form. Now this will forms one type of arrangement, okay. This oxygen having the shared pair of electron, this oxygen having the shared pair of electron, extra pair of electrons, that will transfer to this carbon, okay, that will transfer to this carbon, and this carbon will form, there will be the formation of OH bond will take place. Now this OH bond will form when we are adding here water molecule, okay, we are adding the water molecule in it, okay, then we will get a proper idea, there will be the breakdown of this acid will takes place, just as a HOH, when OH will he goes for the acid form, and there will the formation of aryl sulfonic acid will form, and that proton from the water molecule will transfer to this oxygen, and there will the formation of such a moiety. This is enol form may that will be converted into the n substituted amide. Now there will the tautomerism will takes place. This is there is a tautomerism will takes place, okay, and this tautomerism will leads to the formation of n substituted amide, and this is a stable molecule in this reaction. Now next we will see about the stereochemistry, okay. Generally ketoximes are the geometrical isomers, and geometrical isomers showing the specific characteristics to the reaction. There is an anti atom or the alkyl group, or any functional group transform any alkyl group or aryl group will transfer from the ketoxime, okay, that carbon that is anti to the hydroxyl group, okay. So this can be proved by the cases. He has studied the so many cases. Case number 1 is when the CH3 and OH are anti position, that is in trans position. Then what will happen in this reaction, if you are doing in the presence of cold NaOH, there will the formation of 3-methyl 5-nitrobenzene D isoxazole, okay, and this is the conformation of our methyl group is anti to the our OH hydroxyl group present in the oximes. Now we have understand this thing. Now we will react this molecule, okay, this 2 bromo 5 nitroacetophenone oxime react in presence of acid, that is sulfuric acid, and water molecule. We will get a n 2 bromo n methyl nitrobenzamide is there, and this will confirm our anti anti migration of any alkyl group or aryl group will takes place here. Now case 2, when the CH3 and OH groups are seen, okay, seen or cis, okay, we are saying the seen or cis, there will be the now next here that same molecule 2 bromo 5 nitroacetophenone oxime when react with base, that is a NaOH, in presence of cold condition, okay, uh, in cold condition we will get 3 methyl 5 nitro, there will be the no reaction will takes place, okay, no reaction will takes place due to this one, there will the no reaction will takes place, okay, no reaction will takes place. Now this when this will confirm our that CH3 molecule is at cis position, okay, CH3 molecule at a cis position. So uh, so so this when this molecule react with this sulfuric acid, there will the migration of hydrogen will takes place, or no reaction will takes place directly, okay, sorry, migration of this uh, 2 bromo 5 nitro phenyl group will transfer to the nitrogen atom. Now applications of this reaction, the determination of a configuration of the ketoxymes, okay, we can use this reaction for the determine the configuration of the ketoxymes. When ketoxyme when reacts with the acid, okay, acid catalyst, that will be converted into the n substituted amide, and when it reacts with this protonated water, it will be converted into the acid in presence of water, okay, it will be converted into the carboxylic acid. There is a hydrolysis will takes place in acid hydrolysis, if we are doing, then we are getting the carboxylic acid, respective carboxylic acid, and amines, okay, different types of amines, okay. So when the R2, that is a alkyl group, is a anti to the OA hydroxyl group, then it will there will the formation of uh, R2 amine will takes place, and when the R1 is anti to the hydroxyl group, then R1 amine will takes place. Now synthesis of isoquinoline. Now this is the most important, we have to understand this. Isoquinoline can be synthesized with the help of this reaction mechanism. These aldehyde oximes are there, okay, aldehyde oxime, that is phosphorus in presence of phosphorus pentaoxide, that will be converted into the isoquinoline when we are adding the water molecule to it, and we are getting this isoquinoline. Isoquinoline is a ring which can be used for the different types of synthesis of drugs also. Now synthesis of eta caprolactam. This is most important because we are preparing the Perlon from this one, and this Perlon uses are so much net preparation of fishing net, preparation of nylon from here also, okay. Now cyclohexanone oximes are cyclohexanone when react with hydroxylamine hydrochloride, that will be converted into the cyclohexanone amines. When these cyclohexanone amines react heated in presence of acid catalyst, it will be converted into the eta caprolactam. This is a caprolactam ring. And when this eta caprolactam is heated in presence of a strong base, it will be converted into the polymer, that is a perlon. Okay, perlon is a one type of polymer is there. Now next, synthesis of paracetamol. This is most important for the medicinal uses. Now paracetamol can be prepared with the help of this Beckmann rearrangement also. Now phenol, when phenol in presence of acetic anhydride and hydrofluoric acid, it will be converted into the aceto 1,4-hydroxy phenyl 1,4-hydroxyphenyl ethanone. Okay, ethanone. And this is the one of the ketone. Okay, aryl ketone. And when this ketone reacts with this hydroxylamine hydrochloride, it will be converted into the such a oximes. Okay, respective oximes. These respective oximes in presence of SOCl2 and trifluoro trifluoroacetic acid, uh, trifluoroacetic acid, and or the umber list 15 catalyst, that will be converted into the that paracetamol. Thank you.